I don't have grass in my backyard. I have weeds, mold tunnels, bare areas, and trees that are bare at the trunk. There are also areas where it is wet or soggy after rain. I have tall trees that give a lot of shade. The perimeter of the yard has lots of overgrown bushes that block the sun. I would like to have grass in my backyard. Can I have grass in a shaded yard? There is morning sun at this time of the year, October, but by noontime it is mostly shade. And this is Linda from Germantown, Tennessee. All right, Ms. Linda, we just happen to have our grass guru here with us today. So, Mr. Booker, what do you think about that question?
He can't have grass in the backyard.
Oh, you can, okay.
But one of the things, though, if he got poor drainage, like they say, he got standing water when it rains, he need to try to fix that problem right there.
Okay.
Because you don't want the water to stand.
Okay. And how would you go about fixing, the standing water? Any suggestions for
probably put some kind of organic, build with some organic material in there, maybe add a little sand through that and spread it out and see what's causing the problem. Maybe compact soil.
Maybe.
He might need to aerate it some and try to get it loose enough for the water can drain off there.
Sure.
It could be a lot of compact soil in there, but he can grow grass there, in fescue lawn. He need a cool season grass.
Okay.
Some companies say got a lot of shade in there, so you need a cool season grass in there. But fescue would be the best out to do that in there. But get rid of that standing water. If you got standing water in there, your grass don't have problems. You don't have the root system out of there. It don't die. And now with mold problem, we all have we all have mold problems. I have mold problem. And the best thing with a mold, try to get you a mold trap and try to catch that mold out of there. But you can grow grass, but you got to control that drainage problem first.
All right, so Ms. Linda, it looks like you can grow grass in your shaded area, maybe a fescue of some type. All right. Yeah, so give our office a call. Yeah, Mr. Booker T. Leigh would be happy to help you out. All right.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.